Imagine your brain is a bustling city, constantly changing and adapting, thanks to a remarkable phenomenon called neuroplasticity. It's like your brain's way of remodeling itself, building new roads, repairing damaged infrastructure, and making sure everything runs smoothly, no matter what life throws at it. Every time you learn something new, whether it's a language, a musical instrument, or just how to tie your shoes, your brain responds by creating fresh neural pathways. These are the highways of communication between neurons, and the more you practice, the stronger these pathways become, kind of like upgrading from dirt roads to superhighways. This process, called synaptogenesis, involves the formation of new synaptic connections, boosting your brain's capacity to process and store information. It's especially active in regions like the hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, where neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, also happens, supporting long-term memory formation and developmental growth. But the brain isn't just about building new connections, it also prunes away the weak or unused ones through synaptic pruning, making the entire network more efficient. Think of it as tidying up your digital files to keep things running smoothly. Factors like neurotrophic proteins, especially BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, are vital, promoting neuronal survival, dendritic branching, and synaptic density. Activities like aerobic exercises, mindfulness, meditation, exposure to enriching environments can boost BDNF levels, encouraging healthy neuroplasticity. Our environment plays a huge role in shaping this neural landscape. Stimulating experiences, whether learning new skills, social interactions, or even challenging emotional events, trigger neuroadaptive strategies. These are the brain's way of adapting to change, helping us respond to new situations or recover from injuries. For example, after a psychological injury or trauma, the brain can rewire itself to regain emotional balance. Therapeutic interventions like cognitive behavioral therapy, trauma-focused CBT, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing stimulate neuroplastic changes, helping to repair neural circuits involved in fear pathways, especially in conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and depression. Trauma can deeply affect neural circuits, particularly in regions like the amygdala, the brain's fear center, and the hippocampus, which helps contextualize memories. When these areas become hyperactive or disconnected from the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation, it can lead to heightened anxiety or intrusive memories. Techniques like exposure-based therapies aim to recalibrate these circuits, fostering adaptive responses and restoring functional connectivity. In conditions like schizophrenia or chronic neuropathic pain, neuroplasticity also plays a role. All these processes highlight how dynamic and adaptive our brains are. Whether recovering from injury, managing mental health conditions, or simply learning new skills, neuroplasticity is at the heart of our ability to grow and heal. So next time you pick up a new hobby, meditate, or challenge yourself, remember you're not just having fun, you're actively shaping your brain's future, one synaptic connection at a time.